It's a really hard basket to make too, and I figured out how to teach it a little bit easier than the way I learned it. Because you lay them out this way, and then you weave in crossways, and then you weave in crossways, and it shaker cheese basket. Hello, I knew I would think of it. I knew I would think of it. So it's a very traditional shaker. It's called a shaker cheese basket because what they would do is they would line this basket. It's all open. The entire basket's open, and then they would lay a piece of cheesecloth in it and pour their curds in there, which would strain that through. So instead of just having that cheesecloth, they had benefit of having a basket that they could do it in. So shaker cheese basket, that's also a very difficult basket to make. When I learned it, I was so excited.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.